I found a YouTube niche where channels with zero experience are hitting 1.4 million views per video, making simple English learning animations with free AI tools. And I'm going to show you exactly how to copy it. You don't need to know animation, you don't need to speak perfect English. You don't need to show your face. These channels are fully automated. One of them has 470K subscribers and makes $10,000 a month uploading videos anyone can make in a few hours. Another has only 76 videos, 47K subscribers, and is already monetized. I run my own automation channel, and I know exactly what's working right now because I'm doing it. In this video, I'll show you the exact free AI tools these channels use, the step-by-step process to make your first video today, and how to set up your own faceless YouTube automation channel from scratch, even if you're starting with nothing. Alright, step 1, and this is where most people waste hours. We're going to get the exact AI prompt that generates your entire English learning story script in seconds. I've already built this for you, so you don't have to figure it out yourself. These viral channels aren't writing their own stories. They're using a specific prompt structure that tells the AI exactly what kind of English learning dialogue to generate. Simple vocabulary, natural conversation, and the right length. That's the secret, and I'm giving you mine for free. Here's how to get it. Go to givenprompt.com. I'll put the link in the description too, so you don't have to type anything. Open the first post, scroll down and hit the prompt link button. It opens a Google Doc with 3 tabs. Tab 1, 2-story generation prompts. Copy the first one. Tab 2, a thumbnail generation prompt. Tab 3, ready-made titles, descriptions, and hashtags. We're starting with Tab 1. Copy that first prompt. We'll paste it in the next step. Now here's where it gets interesting, because most people think making these videos means writing scripts yourself. You don't. Claude AI is going to do everything. Watch this. Take that prompt you just copied and paste it directly into Claude AI. Hit enter, and instead of just giving you a script, Claude is going to ask you a series of questions to customize your video character. This is what makes these videos feel unique instead of copy-paste generic content. So Claude is going to ask you, character type, man, woman, boy, girl, child, baby. Pick one and use it consistently across your channel. Appearance style, the overall look and feel of your character. Hairstyle and skin tone. This gets passed to the AI image tool later to keep your character consistent in every single video. For my channel, I'm going with a teenage boy, blonde hair, light skin, simple, memorable, consistent. Once you answer those questions, Claude generates 10 viral topic ideas specifically for English learning story videos. This is the step most automation channels skip and why they fail. We're not guessing on topics. We're validating with real data before touching a single tool. Take one of Claude's 10 topics and paste it into the YouTube search. Before hitting enter, check the autocomplete. If YouTube is suggesting your topic, people are already searching for it. Good sign. Now install VidIQ. It's a free Chrome extension that shows search volume and competition score directly on YouTube. Link is in the description, $1 to try. Search your topic, and VidIQ will show you 2 numbers on the right side of your screen, search volume and competition score. Here's what I look for. Over 10,000 monthly searches, competition score under 50. If competition is high, but top videos have under 500K views, it's still winnable. If top results are from huge channels with millions of views, skip it, try the next topic. Now we take that winning topic back into Claude and generate the full script, dialogues, scenes, everything. This part takes about 60 seconds. Go back to Claude and paste this to your winning topic. Hit enter, and Claude will ask you one question. How many sentences do you want? It recommends between 10 and 30. I go with 20. That's the sweet spot for a video that's long enough to monetize but short enough to keep people watching till the end. Hit generate and Claude gives you 2 things, a voiceover script, 20 short paragraphs your narrator will read out loud, and 20 scene prompts for image and video generation. These are the visual descriptions that get turned into your 3D animation scenes. Keep both. You'll need them separately in the next steps. Before generating your voice, open Google Doc and paste your voiceover script, just the narrator paragraphs, not the character dialogues. Delete any labels, numbering, or extra formatting Claude added. You want clean, plain sentences only. This is what goes into your voice generator. For the voice, we're using Fish Audio. Link is in the description. Sign up and you get free credits immediately. No card needed to start. Once you're in, click Text to Speech. Then hit Add Speaker and go to Explore. This is where it gets fun. Fish Audio has hundreds of AI voices. Since you already chose your character type earlier, in my case, a teenage boy, just filter by that and pick a voice that matches. Preview a few, pick the one that sounds most natural. Paste your clean script into the prompt box, hit generate, and download the audio file when it's done. That's your voiceover ready. Now we take those 20 scene prompts Claude generated and turn them into actual 3D animation images. This is where your video starts looking like the viral channels you saw at the beginning. Claude gave you two types of output: voiceover paragraphs and scene prompts. For this step, you only need the scene prompts. Ignore any lines labeled dialogue. Those are the character conversations that appear as text on screen later. Only copy the scene description prompts. One important thing, Claude delivers these in batches of 5. Once you've used the first 5, go back to Claude and type next or yes, and it will give you the next batch. Keep doing this until you have all 20. For image generation, we're using Flo AI, completely free. Link is in the description. Open it, click New Project, then go to Settings before generating anything. 3 settings to change: aspect ratio, set to 9:16, number of images, set to 2 per prompt. I'll explain why in a second. Model, pick any available model. The default works fine. Now copy your first scene prompt and paste it into Flo AI. Hit Generate. While that's running, go back to Claude and copy your second scene prompt so you're ready to go the moment the first one finishes. Work through all 5 prompts this way, then go back to Claude, type next, and repeat with the next batch. I always generate 2 images per scene prompt instead of 1. The reason is simple. AI images are unpredictable. Sometimes the character looks slightly off, the background doesn't match, or the style drifts. Having 2 gives you a backup, so you're never stuck with an unusable image and forced to regenerate from scratch. Once all your images are generated, it's time to download them. Click on any image, hit the 3 dots menu, and download in HD quality. Remember, you generated 2 images per scene prompt. Look at both and download only the best one. If a character looks off, the background is wrong, or the style doesn't match, that's the one you discard. Keep the better of the 2. Do this for all 20 scenes and move them into one folder on your desktop so they're easy to find in the next step. This is the step where everything comes together. Still images become actual moving video clips, and we're doing it completely free using Meta AI. Meta AI has one of the best free image-to-video tools available right now. The only catch is it adds a small watermark, but I'll show you how to remove it in about 30 seconds. Totally free, no paid plan needed. Here's the process for each scene. Go to Meta AI and click Create. In the prompt box, paste the scene prompt from Claude that matches the image you're uploading, the same prompt you used to generate that image in Flo AI. At the very end of the prompt, add one simple line: make a video. Now click the plus icon to upload your image. This is the downloaded HD image from Flo AI. Make sure the image matches the prompt you pasted. Hit Generate and Meta AI will animate it into a video clip. Repeat this for all 20 scenes. Paste the matching scene prompt, add make a video, upload the matching image, generate. Work through them one by one and download each clip when it's ready. Every Meta AI video comes with a watermark by default. Here's how to remove it without any paid tool. Add a Chrome extension called Video Downloader Plus. It's free, just search it in the Chrome Web Store and pin it to your browser. Then, open the Meta AI video in your Chrome browser. Click the Video Downloader Plus extension icon. Scroll down in the extension panel. You'll see a download option labeled Meta AI MP4. Click it. A clean, watermark-free version of the video loads. Click Download. That's it. Do this for every clip, and you'll have 20 clean, watermark-free video scenes ready to assemble. Before we edit, we need one more asset: the whiteboard image. This is what makes these English learning channels look so professional. Every single video uses it, and once you make it, you reuse it forever. Here's how the final video is laid out. On the right side of the screen sits your 9:16 animated scene video. On the left sits a whiteboard-style image where the English learning text appears, the dialogue, the vocabulary, the sentences. It's a clean, simple frame that makes the content feel structured and educational. You make this once and use it across your entire channel. Go back to your Google Doc and scroll down in tab 1. There's a dedicated whiteboard prompt at the bottom. Copy it. Open Flo AI and go to Settings. This time, change the aspect ratio to 16:9. We're switching to horizontal format because the whiteboard sits alongside the video, not as the video itself. Paste the prompt and hit Generate. Pick whichever image looks cleanest and download it. Now we need to remove the whiteboard's background so it sits cleanly over your video in editing. Go to remove.bg. It's free, no sign-up needed. Upload your whiteboard image and it removes the background automatically in seconds. Download it as a PNG file. PNG preserves the transparent background, which is essential for the next step. Now open CapCut and click Import. You need 3 things in your project: your voiceover audio from Fish Audio, your 20 video clips from Meta AI, watermark free, your whiteboard PNG, background removed. Get all 3 imported and we're ready to assemble the final video. This is where everything you've built comes together. This is the step that turns videos and audio into a finished, professional-looking YouTube video. I'll walk you through the exact layer structure so everything lines up perfectly first try. Before touching the timeline, here's what the finished video looks like. The screen is split into 2 halves. Right side, your 9:16 animated scene videos from Meta AI play here. Left side, your whiteboard PNG sits here with the English learning captions displayed on it. Behind everything, a background image fills the full screen and ties both sides together visually. Start by dragging your voiceover audio onto the timeline. This is your foundation. Every visual element you add will sync to this audio track. Stretch it across the full length of the video. Next, go to Pinterest and search for a background image that matches the color tone of your scene videos. Download it, import it into CapCut, and drag it onto the timeline above your audio. Stretch it to cover the full video length. Resize it in the preview window until it fills the entire screen. No black edges showing. Click the background image and use the color grading panel on the right side to adjust brightness and contrast slightly. This makes your scene videos pop against the background. Once your background image is placed and color graded, right-click on it in the timeline and select Copy. Now move your cursor to the point where the background image ends and press Ctrl-V to paste it. Keep repeating this until the background covers the full length of your voiceover from start to finish. Now import all 20 Meta AI video clips and place them on the timeline one by one above the background layer. Each clip should line up with the matching section of your voiceover. In the preview window, drag each clip to the right half of the screen and resize it to fit neatly in that space. Once all your scene clips are placed, import your whiteboard PNG, the one with the background removed. Drag it onto the timeline on the top layer above everything else, and stretch it across the full video length. In the preview window, drag it to the left half of the screen and resize it to fill that space cleanly. Click the text button in the left panel, then click Auto Caption and hit Generate. CapCut will transcribe your entire voiceover and create captions for every line automatically. When they're generated, browse the templates on the right panel and pick one that's clean and easy to read. Click it, and it applies to every single caption at once. Now drag the captions onto your whiteboard on the left side. Resize and position them so the text sits cleanly inside the whiteboard frame. For final touches, click the sticker panel and add small relevant stickers around the whiteboard area. Then add a simple transition between each scene clip. A clean cut or subtle fade keeps the pacing tight. Once everything looks right, hit Export. Use the highest quality setting available. Your finished video is ready to upload. Now we need a thumbnail, a title, a description, and hashtags for our video. Let's start with the thumbnail. Go back to your Google Doc and open tab 2. Copy the full prompt and paste it into Claude AI. Hit Generate and Claude will ask you a few questions about your video. Answer them and Claude will prepare 2 thumbnail prompts for you. Copy the first thumbnail prompt, go to Flo AI, paste it into the prompt box, and hit Generate. Then copy the second thumbnail prompt and do the same. Once both are generated, right-click on the thumbnails you like, click the 3 dots, and download in HD quality. Now for the title, description, and hashtags. Go back to your Google Doc and open tab 3, copy the full text and paste it into Claude AI. Hit Generate and Claude will ask you a couple of questions, your YouTube channel name, and a few details about your video. Answer them and Claude will generate a fully SEO-optimized title, description, and hashtag set ready to copy straight into YouTube. You now have everything you need: your animated video, your thumbnail, and your complete upload package. Go to YouTube, upload your video, paste in the title, description, and hashtags, add your thumbnail, and publish. That's the complete system. From finding a viral topic to publishing a fully finished English learning animation video using nothing but free AI tools. Now let me show you the final result of the video we just created together so you can see exactly what this process produces.
I wake up at 7 every morning. I wake up at 7 every morning. I turn off my alarm clock. I turn off my alarm clock. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning. I put on my t-shirt and jeans. I put on my t-shirt and jeans. I eat breakfast before school. I eat breakfast before school.